Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you for pasta and macaroni crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Beautiful pasta bracelet. We will make a cute pasta bracelet. Take small macaroni pieces, color them in different color, let them dry. Now take an elastic thread, put the pasta into the thread, make a colorful pattern, tie the ends tightly. Your beautiful bracelet is ready. So easy and to fun make. And viewers, friends, so next idea I will share you, friends. Viewers, pass the candle holder, take a small glass jar, apply glue on the outside. Now stick pasta all around the jar, make a nice design, let it dry completely. Now paint it with golden color, put our candles inside. Wow, it looks so beautiful and cozy. And viewers, I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care and